Guys, Gurns, what's going on? I'm using a new screen recorder. I'm playing Township, a game that I never knew that was there. Actually, I knew, but my friends told me about it. Oh my, I didn't want to collect those eggs right here because I got food building for my chicks. This is just to show you, so I'm going to end the video right in 10 more seconds in a minute. You probably will hate, but don't hate, because I'll be having more content. I don't have much time. I have to study for the test. I got assignments to do. That is why. Please don't hate me for that. You can subscribe and wait till 28th October, or as soon as my tests are over, I'll get with it. Thanks.